how to fix update messaging problem on Instagram. So all what you have to do, guys, to fix this problem is very simple and easy. Just open the Play Store on your phone like this, and then search for Instagram on your Play Store or App Store, and here you will find this update option. All what you have to do now here is just click on this update like this. After you click on it, now you have to go back, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, go to apps. Now wait a few seconds, it will start loading the apps that you have on your phone. After that, all what you have to do is scroll, click on Instagram, click on force stop, and then go down, click on the storage and click on clear data and clear cache. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end.